Hi there. In the previous section, we looked at how to create a blog application using Django. In this section, I would like to show you how to leverage Django's package library to use third-party packages to take all of the hard work or the tedious work out of creating an awesome web application. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my web browser and I'm going to search for the Django package. Let's just search for Django packages and let's see what happens. And then you'll see the Django packages.org loads. Now, Python's package index is known as PyPy or PyPI, which is spelled PYPI. And then this Django packages website is really just a directory that lists Python packages that are specific to Django. So what I'm going to look for to start us off is a content management system, also known as a CMS, which is basically what WordPress is. So WordPress as a whole is broken up into two separate main elements. The first being a content management system element, which is what non-developers will usually use, and they'll use that to manage the content on their website. So whatever kind of website it is, the most common type obviously being a blog. And then the other side is the framework side. So WordPress has got a fully built-in framework. So for us now, I'm going to use a third-party CMS, but then Django is going to function as my framework. Whereas with WordPress, WordPress would take care of the CMS and the framework side of things. Cool. So as we can see, if we click on CMS here, it now brings up a list of prerequisites for CMS. So these are all the packages that match these prerequisites. So it needs a WYSIWYG editor, which is what you see is what you get editor. It needs to have tags, page depth, revision, page sorting, test, blah blah blah. So I mean, you can read through this list at your own leisure, but at the end of the day, yeah, CMS needs to match these criteria. And then below that, you'll see the different packages that are offered, Django packages that are offered that include CMSs. So if we scroll to the right, you will see that there are a whole lot of different content management systems or CMSs that Django offers. And then each of them have various criteria and various versions and release dates and things like that. So this is all very interesting, as below that is a checklist of what each of these offer. So this is really nice. You can go through this and pick one of these at your own leisure. I'm going to pick one called Mezzanine or Mezzanine just because I like the name. And because it looks like quite a few people are using this. So I think Django CMS would probably be, yeah, let's go with this one. Yeah, let's go with this one. Cool, and here we have the single page of Mezzanine, and what I want to do is I want to now figure out how do I actually install this package. So because it is a Django package, we can install it the same way that we installed any of our previous Django packages using pip install, which is the Python install package, which is pip. Or we could just add it to our requirements.txt file and run pip install on our requirements.txt file, which we covered in the first few lectures of section 1. Cool, so let's go to PyPy or PyPI website, and let's have a look at Mezzanine and let's see what happens here. Okay, cool, and this is the actual website where Mezzanine can be installed. And here it just shows you exactly what it looks like. It gives you a bit of a summary. It tells you most things about it, and you can actually download it as a separate package. I don't want to download Mezzanine. What I want to do is I want to actually install it using pip install. So if everything goes correctly, we should be able to go back to our terminal. And now we are not in our virtual environment. Unfortunately, unfortunately, I went out of the virtual environment. But fortunately, what I did do is I just started again from scratch. So you don't have to have anything pre-installed for this section. So in the next lecture, I'm going to look at how to install Mezzanine using our console and pip install.